To view comments and replies on threads within the app on your iPhone or Android phone, start by opening the Threads app and locating the post you're interested in. For example, if a post indicates it has comments, simply tap on the post text or an empty area of the post. This action will take you to a page where you can see all the replies. If you wish to view replies to specific comments, just select the comment, and the corresponding replies will appear beneath it. Additionally, to see all replies made by a specific user, tap on their profile name below the follow, unfollow button on their profile page. You'll find a section labeled Replies, where you can view everything they've contributed to Threads.